So guys, I'm gonna show you how to make this thing that goes up here and sprays down water when you press the button. Watch. Let's see. It worked kind of fun. And we're in. This is what I'm talking about. And when you want to push the button again, it turns it off. See? Well, that's from that. So, no, that's my firework launcher. Wow. I think this. I'm fine. Step 1. You place a tower of blocks like this. Step 2, you place one of these thingies. I don't know what it is. But you have to go upside down for it. Ah! Why I always think I'm in Marvel World. Then you go on buttons. You place a button up high. Break all these. And you press E. And you find the water bucket. Get rid of whatever you have right there. And then you flick in. And then you get the water bucket. Put in the middle of the square. And then watch. Press the button. Cool, it's like a fountain, right? Bye. I hope you like and subscribe.